Joy Richards finished school when he was 18, and then his father said to him, "You have passed your examination now, Joy, and you got good marks in them. Now go and get some good work. They are looking for clever people at the bank in the town. The clerks there get quite a lot of money now." A few days later, Joy went to the bank and asked for work there. A man took him into a small room and gave him some questions on a piece of paper. Joy wrote his answers on the paper and then he gave them to the man. The man looked at them for a few minutes and then he took a pen and said to Joy, "Your birthday was on the 12th of June, Mr. Richards?" "Yes, sir," Joy said. "What year?" the man asked. "Oh, every year, sir," Joy said.
Hi there, English learners and dear students. I hope you are doing very fine and great. Today, we are providing you the Story 3, Lesson 2, Question and Answer mini-story for Mr. Joy Richards. Okay, everybody, let's get started. Please, my dears, answer all the questions and move your mouth, please. Otherwise, you are not able to speak well and you don't learn to speak well. I promise you, if you answer these questions, because these are very simple and easy questions, I promise you in a very soon future you can start speaking easily or automatically without thinking about it. These lectures are designed for you to improve your speaking step by step. I know the words are very easy for you, but I don't mean the vocabularies and the words. These lectures designed to improve speaking from the beginning level. Okay, let's get started. Again, please answer all the questions and move your mouth. Don't just watch. Answer, move your mouth. Let's get started. Joy Richards finished school when he was 18, and then his father said to him, "You have passed your examination now, Joy, and you got good marks in them." Okay, the questions. Question 1. Who finished school at the age of 18? Who finished school at the age of 18? Yes, Joy Richards. Joy Richards finished school when he was 18, at the age of 18. Question 2. What did Joy's father say when he finished school? Yes, his father said to him, "You have passed your examination now." Did Joy get good marks in the exams? Yes, sure, Joy got good marks in the exams. Number 4. Did Joy pass in the examination? Yes, Joy passed in the examination. Number 5. What did Joy finish when he was 18? What did Joy finish when he was 18? Joy finished school. Yes, when he was 18. Okay, guys, let's go. Now, go and get some good work. They are looking for clever people at the bank in the town. The clerks there get quite a lot of money now. Okay, let's move on. Questions. Okay, number 1. What does he have to get?
Yes, Joy has to get some good work. Yes. Question number 2. Where does he have to go to get work? Yes, he has to go to the bank to get work. Number 3. Who are they looking for at the bank? They are looking for clever people at the bank in the town. They are looking for clever people. Number 4. Who gets quite a lot of money at the bank? Who gets quite a lot of money? The clerks there in the bank get quite a lot of money now. Number 5. How much money do the clerks get now? How much money? Do they get a lot of money or a little? Yes, quite a lot of money now they get. Okay, let's go to another page. A few days later, Joy went to the bank and asked for work there. A man took him into a small room and gave him some questions on a piece of paper. Question 1. Where did Joy go a few days later? Yes, he went to the bank a few days later. Number 2. How many days later did he go to the bank? A few days. He went to the bank a few days later. Number 3. What did Joy want? He wanted to get a job in the bank. He wanted to get a job in the bank and get money. Number 4. What did he ask for? In the bank, he asked for work. Joy asked for work. Number 5. What did a man do then? A man took him into a small room and gave him some questions on a piece of paper. Number 6. Where did the man take him? The man took him into a small room. Took him into a small room. Number 7. What did the man give him? Yes, the man gave him some questions on a piece of paper. Some questions. Number 8. What was on a piece of paper? Yes, questions. Some questions were on a piece of paper. Let's go to another page. Joy wrote his answers on the paper and then he gave them to the man. Number 1. What did Joy write on the paper? What did he write on the paper? Yes, he wrote the answers of the questions. He wrote his answers on the paper. Number 2. Where did he write his answer on? He wrote his answers on the paper, not on the wall, on the paper. Number 3. What did he do then? Yes, then he gave them to the man. He gave them the papers, to the man. Number 4. Who did he give the answers to? Who did he give the answers to? He gave the answers to the man. To the man at the bank. Okay, let's go to another page. The man looked at them for a few minutes and then he took a pen and said to Joy, "Your birthday was on the 12th of June, Mr. Richards?" "Yes, sir," Joy said. Number 1. What did the man look at?
Yes, the man looked at them for a few minutes at the answers. The man looked at the answers for a few minutes. Number 2. How many minutes did he look at the paper? For a few minutes. Yes, a few minutes the man looked at them. A few minutes. Maybe 3 minutes, maybe 4 minutes. Number 3. What did the man take and say? The man took a pen and said to Joy, "Your birthday was on the 12th of June, Mr. Richards." Good. Number 4. What did the man ask Joy? What did he ask Joy? The man asked Joy, "Your birthday was on the 12th of June, Mr. Richards." Good. Number 5. When is Joy's birthday? Joy's birthday is the 12th of June. 12th of June. Number 6. What did Joy say and answer? Yes, sir. Joy said, "Yes, sir." Let's go to the last page. What year? The man asked. "Oh, every year, sir," Joy said. Number 1. What did the man ask? What year? The man asked. What year? Number 2. What did Joy say? Every year, sir, Joy said. Joy said, "Every year, sir." Okay, everybody, thank you very much. Please repeat this lecture a few times and until you can answer all the questions very well. Because, as I told you before, please answer every question. Because this program designed to improve your speaking step by step from beginning. Have a great time. See you. Bye bye.